This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data, so back up to Google and export photos. This prevents loss if you must reset. Once backed up, charge the Oppo to at least 50% and use the original cable, because updates and diagnostics need stable power. Next, open Settings and check Software Update and Battery Health. Make a quick note of any apps you installed recently, as those are prime suspects for spontaneous restarts. You now isolate the cause. Boot the phone into safe mode to disable third-party apps and watch whether restarts persist. If the phone is stable, a recent app is likely causing it. Once done, clear cache for key apps and uninstall suspicious or recently added apps. This often fixes conflicts. If problems continue, wipe the cache partition or reset app preferences to remove corrupted temporary files. These steps avoid data loss while cleaning system-level clutter. If software measures fail, perform a factory reset, make sure your backup finished, then go to Settings, System, Reset options. You can also reflash official Oppo firmware or use recovery to apply the latest stable ROM if corruption is suspected. Finally, inspect for hardware issues. Swelling battery, loose connectors, or overheating might need a repair. Troubleshooting tip. If restarts continue after reset and reflash, stop DIY fixes. Contact an authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.